There is something about Ogbono soup. It's very warm and rich, and honestly, it's one of the most satisfying Nigerian soup. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how I made this delicious Ogbono soup using simple ingredients you can easily get from the market. Don't worry, the list of the ingredients will be on the screen. Let's start by washing your meat properly. I like adding little salt while washing mine because it helps to remove dirt from the meat. You definitely don't want to chop sand in your soup. Now transfer the washed meat into your pot, then add your seasoning cubes, salt, blended onion and pepper. Now for the onion part, I just want to season the meat. The onion is actually optional because in the traditional method of making ogbono soup, onion is not required. Mix everything together, cover the pot and allow the meat to cook for about 10 minutes. Once the meat starts releasing its own water, add more water for the soup. Go ahead and wash your stockfish with hot water. This is very necessary. I hope you do that as well at home. Just put hot water and dilute it with cold water, the one that your hand can tolerate, and along with your stockfish, then cover and continue. Guys, while that is cooking, let's blend our ingredients. First, add your uziza seed. I highly recommend uziza seed in soup because the flavor it gives is amazing. Then add your crayfish and blend everything together. Blend your ogbono until smooth. In case you don't know what ogbono looks like, this is it right here. This is how it looks like. And by the way, ogbono actually has a lot of health benefits too. Let's leave that gist for another day. Now that our stock is boiling, place a saucepan on low heat, add your palm oil, then immediately add the blended ogbono. Please take note, make sure the heat is low and don't heat the oil before adding the ogbono. Keep stirring steadily until everything dissolves smoothly. Please, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you so much for supporting my content. As you can see guys, we are getting there. It's almost smooth. Once that is ready, pour the melted ogbono into the stock. Immediately you add it, you are going to notice the texture begin to change. That is how you know you are making a good ogbono soup. Guys, have you seen what I'm talking about? See how slimy it has started becoming. Now let's check on our fish. Trust me, roasting or grilling your own fish at home is so much better than the ones we usually buy. All you have to do is just season with salt, pepper or any of your favorite seasoning and grill. Simple. Next, add your dry fish, add generous amounts of crayfish, and guys, you are going to give this a quick stir. Let everything mix together properly. Now, if you enjoy ogiri or weighing in your ogbono, this is the perfect time to add it. When everything is mixed together, go in with your roughly blended scotch bonnet pepper and habanero pepper. Honestly, this habanero pepper will take the soup to another level. Leave the soup uncovered to simmer for a few minutes, then add your seasoning cubes and the ugu leaf. You can also use uziza leaf, bitter leaf or any vegetable of your choice. And guys, our soup is ready. It's very simple, delicious and still affordable. I paired mine with fufu. Let me ask you, what will you pair yours with? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you on my next one. Bye! And guys, our soup is ready. It's very simple, delicious and still affordable. I paired mine with fufu. Let me ask you, what will you pair yours with? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you on my next one. Bye!